over in my neck of the woods, people are buying these right and left because they're kind of reaching maybe a little bit of a new crowd. I know there's some new customers for Jeep 4xEs, you know. Maybe they were thinking about a hybrid Highlander or a hybrid like Honda SUV, something like that. But you know, if you can get a hybrid Jeep, that's a whole new deal. So.
Yeah. The power is pretty good on these things right off the line.
Yeah.
I think that was my biggest misconception of a hybrid, how they wouldn't have a whole lot of power, and like the power for these things it's pretty substantial.
Absolutely.
Yeah, but the added weight is incredible. Like
you can feel it when you're braking too.
Oh yeah. But over 1,000 pounds more weight off the factory floor, and yet they don't improve the front end.
Yeah, and I mean a lot of Jeep customers would like to add a steel bumper in the front plus a winch. You know, maybe you need a tire carrier in the back, an extra one, or maybe you're even pulling a trailer. You know, all of a sudden you have a lot of extra weight, and it all comes down onto the front brakes. You know, maybe 80-20 or, you know, a little bit plus or minus, but it all comes down on the front end when you go to stop.
Jeeps, you want to look at Jeep, make a Jeep look mean, you're throwing that metal bumper, you're throwing that winch on, metal cans in the back.
Yep.
Like, all of a sudden you went from 1,000 pounds to another 1,500 pounds, or another 500 pounds, so you're 1,500 pounds before you get a couple people in it. And even the weight of the tires, right?
Absolutely. Yeah, that's another 5 or 10 pounds just over the OE design. If you put on a big one, I'm sure it could be more than that.
All supported by ball joints that have plastic interiors. For that's crazy. No, the abuse that some of these Jeep owners put these things through, it's pretty crazy. If you had a Jeep and you could take it anywhere for 2 days, what would Austin do with it? Anything you wanted to do?
Yeah, I'd probably go to Utah. There's like a lot of good off-roading and exploring in Moab area.
Yeah.
You know, if you could just drop me there with the Jeep, I think that's probably the place I'd go.
Yeah.
A lot of rocks.
Yeah. The rust. Hey, all those rock climbers, what are they using?
What about you?
You know what? I'd take it probably up north, just back in the bush, just Northern Ontario boy, just getting crazy. Try and get stuck somewhere.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'd like to put that extra winch on there to get myself up, because I'll be able to get stuck.
Yeah.
yeah, I'll be able to get stuck.